Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. We are here at 11th Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. I have with me Rishi Lodhia from CameraManager.com, which is the strangest site because I didn't know you could even do surveillance across the web, Rishi.
Thank you, Jeremy, that you didn't know that.
Thank you, that's not good.
That's why we're here. We've been disrupting the security industry already for years because nobody knew that. So, the security industry saw water burning when we said we're going to do camera surveillance in the cloud. So everybody said, whoa, that's funny. What do you do then? You plug in a camera on your network and the camera streams to our platform, and then anyone can, with the correct username and password, can watch the cameras from the iPhone, iPad, or any device with internet. And
it's good timing because people actually do want to do that for all sorts of various reasons.
Well, surveillance has been there always, and in these times people are getting scary and they use technology to watch all kinds of things. You're monitoring your sales data, so why don't you monitor your shop for whatever reasons? So it's not only security, but it's also watching, what time your shop opens, how many people come into your shop or in your office. So that kind of things are also being done with our security solution.
Now, I was thinking before we met that, if I had access to cameras, as you say, my office or my home or whatever, do we get into this area of you don't necessarily provide any backup? So do I learn things that I then don't have the power to do anything about? That's down to me to figure out, yes?
No, that's down to you. So the solution, actually we don't offer you this. So what we do, we offer carriers, telcos, or large security providers, we offer them a way to earn more money on their current base. So they can offer you, your DSL
panic number.
Exactly, your DSL provider can say, okay, Jeremy, you want in your office, you want some camera surveillance, and then at that moment, you can watch back your cameras. You can see what's been going on. So yes, we offer offsite storage, indeed.
So then the question becomes, what's driven you into this, before anyone else or better than anyone else?
Well, there was a gap, and we saw that people were getting more busy. People, can't be at two places at the same time. That's what you see, more traffic on the road. Give an example, imagine there's somebody who's got 10 stores, and he's driving up to every store to check out how the store looks like. Why would you do that? Just watch the cameras. So technology makes it possible to be at more times at the same time. So we're doing already video conferencing. Why not do it like this also?
And are we true to the cloud computing principle? Can I just turn it on and say I want to try it, and you know what, if it works I'm going to try it more and more, and if it doesn't work I'm going to have less and less?
You need a camera, of course. That's the necessary evil.
The minimum.
That's the minimum. But then it's an OPEX model. It's a monthly subscription. So you get a subscription and you can start. So you don't need a DVR or anything anymore. Throw that piece of junk away and use the cloud.
So the gazillions of people watching, and now quickly they're Googling and they're going CameraManager.com and they're on the site. What can they do next?
We have partners in a lot of countries. We are very strong in Europe. And actually on this expo, we are launching our surveillance cloud in the US.
That's very flattering.
Yeah, we've opened this revolutionary platform here on this expo. So, that's pretty exciting for us.
Well, it's pretty exciting for Americans. They love surveilling.
And, what is interesting to see, all kinds of services that are running here on cloud, we are really a bandwidth killer and a storage killer. It's constantly live video feeds and recordings going through.
So may one ask what you're using yourself? What are you built on?
Sorry?
What have you built the platform on?
We've got Dell storage solutions, and we build our platform on Java. So, and we currently in Europe we manage everything ourselves, but in the US we can't do it ourselves. So, we use infrastructure as a service providers. So there are a lot of them here, so that's interesting, you know, for European companies that want to go abroad. That's good. And
well, we better check with you in a couple of months and see how it went, see if Cloud Expo was the tipping point for the business. I think it should be.
yeah, it should be. I mean, but we're already getting a lot of questions from the security providers, the telcos, and let's see what's going on.
We will follow the success story. That's Rishi Lodhia, CEO of CameraManager.com. If you haven't thought of surveilling through the cloud, now's the time. Thanks so much, Rishi.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching us out there on the World Wide Web.